This looks so good, y'all. I cannot wait to teach y'all how to make it. Stay tuned. Today my husband will be cooking for you guys, so of course he's starting by washing his hands. We had pretty nice sized catfish fillets, so we decided to chop them up into smaller pieces and make catfish nuggets. So first he's going to season this fish with some garlic powder, which is one of my staples. Next, he is going to season the fish with my second staple, which is onion powder. Next, he will be using some Cavender's all-purpose seasoning. Next, we are adding some Cajun seasoning. And lastly, we are adding some Old Bay seasoning, which is really delicious on seafood, and it's really one of the staples in our household when we make seafood. If you want some extra flavor, you can go ahead and add a few drops of your favorite hot sauce. This does not make your fish hot if you do not use it in excess. It just adds some extra flavor that you may not have had in your fish previously. So definitely give that a try. And once you have that hot sauce added, you just want to mix everything up in your bowl and make sure you have your seasonings and your hot sauce fully incorporated onto all of your pieces of fish. And this is what it should look like once you have mixed that together well. Next, we are going to heat up our canola oil so that we can get this fish fried up nicely and golden brown. You guys can use whatever type of oil you would like to use as well. So now we are taking our fish fry, which is already seasoned but not to our liking. So of course we're adding more seasoning to that fish fry. You can choose to do this, or you can skip this step if you don't want the extra seasoning, that's fine. But this is what we're doing to get that extra flavor infused into this fish so it can be delicious. Once you have got the fish fry seasoned to your liking, you can go ahead and take a fork or a whisk and just mix this together so that you can have all of your seasonings evenly distributed in your fish fry. After you're done with that, you'll just take your fish and you'll place it into your fish fry, or if you want to do it the old school way, you can place it into a bag, and you will just shake that up until you have all of your pieces of fish fully coated in your fish fry. And after you're done with that, you just want to head over to your grease, which should already be hot, and you will drop that in. You can cook this fish for 7 to 10 minutes. So if you do like your fish on the crispier side, and if you want a darker brown color on your fish, go ahead and cook it for about 10 minutes or until it's visually appealing to your liking. Once you reach that 10-minute mark, your kitchen is guaranteed to be smelling delicious. So go ahead and remove your fish from the grease, and you can choose to place your fish on a baking rack, or you can just put some paper towels down and just let the paper towels absorb the grease from your fish so that it can remain crispy. And just like that, you have got some delicious, crispy, golden fried catfish. and it's well seasoned. So if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and like it, leave me a comment and let me know, and definitely subscribe to my channel for more videos such as this. Have a great one.